Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's topic is the access modifier. A Java access modifier specifies which classes can access a given class and its fields, constructor and methods. Access modifiers can be specified separately for a class, its constructors, field and methods. Java access modifier are also sometimes referred to in daily speech as Java access specifiers, but the correct name is Java access modifiers. Classes, fields, constructor, and method can have one of four different Java access modifiers. There are four types of access modifier. First, private. Second, default. Third, protected. Fourth, public. So first, private. Private access modifier. If a method or a variable is marked as private, has the private access modifier assigned to it, then only code inside the same class can access the variable or call the method. Code inside subclasses cannot access the variable or a method, nor can code from any external class. Default access modifier. The default Java access modifier is declared by not writing any access modifier at all. The default access modifier means that code inside the class itself as well as code inside classes in the same package as this class can access the class, field, constructor or method which the default access modifier is assigned to, therefore the default access modifier. The protected access modifier provides the same access as the default access modifier, with the addition that subclass can access protected method and member variable field of the superclass. This is true even if the subclasses is not located in the same package as the superclass. Public modifier. The Java access modifier public means that all code can access the class, field, constructor or method regardless of where the access code is located. The accessing code can be in a different class of different packages. It is important to keep mind that the Java access modifier assigned to a Java class take precedence of over any interface access modifier.